Once you have created your Power BI report in Power BI Desktop, the next thing you might want to do is to share this with your colleagues. The easiest and probably the best way to do this is to publish your report to the Power BI service at microsoftpowerbi.com. Doing this is very simple. All I need to do is to click the Publish button within the Home tab in Microsoft Power BI Desktop to publish this report up to the Power BI service. But first I need to sign in to Power BI Desktop to make sure that the Power BI Desktop and the Power BI service work together. I'll choose to publish the report into my workspace in Power BI, and I can go straight to view the report within Power BI service. So here I have my report in the Power BI service, which I can now use to create a dashboard which I can share with my colleagues. And the other thing I can do is I can schedule an automated refresh from the Suntico BI data feed for my Sage 50 accounts data.